Is this just the actual?
I think so.
Oh, bro. So cute. They're getting everything ready. Bitch. Oh my god. Around my mom, I was like, where we at? Even in the restaurants. I'm like, but where we at though? Even on the beach. But where we at?
My freaking checkbook. I'm leaving when the good Lord or the police make me.
I'm not showing y'all. No. Oh.
6? Oh.
Oh.
Nah, girl, you don't want me to drive.
Arrested.
Big old boom. And this is what happened. Hey y'all, happy Monday. We have made it to the RGV area. We are in Mcallen, Texas. We're at the Radisson right now at the hotel. We're just trying our luck to see if we're gonna be able to get an early check-in. Child, we came in before 9 o'clock and they said give us 5 or 10 minutes and we will have a room. I was like, oh, okay. And it was like, you can just look around the hotel and all that, and then we have free breakfast as well. So they offered free breakfast to go and, you know, get us some breakfast or whatever. Little bar right there. But yeah, I think once we get settled in the room, we'll probably put on our swimsuits or take our swimsuits and go to South Padre, which is like an hour away from here, maybe 30 to 45 minutes away from here. And yeah, I don't know what else we plan on doing. I know we're staying in this area. Child, I can't talk today. We're staying in this area because we want to look at some houses. Their housing is very affordable for new home construction. I mean, like super cheap. You hear me? For new homes, modern homes. So we're gonna take a look at those and then maybe go to the beach. But yeah, happy Monday. I was just giving y'all a little rundown on what we're gonna be doing. And ooh, Y'all. Greasy lips. But anyways, y'all. Bye. I was looking at the area sweet. I was like,
It already open.
they said 209. Now that's more like it. What is that, a closet?
Yep.
To whose? To what bedroom? Oh, that's a pink. I'm thinking that's a closet.
Go to Sam's Club and get everything in bulk.
Silly girl. Okay, y'all, we are looking at these homes. As you seen earlier, we looked at two. Now we're going to see if this one is open. They're so cute. The one we just left was really, really nice. I like that one. I love the closet. Is it open?
Welcome to my house.
MTV Cribs, EGs. This little door.
Yay, it's my house.
I guess a little small closet. I don't know. It must be like a little office area or something. Jeez.
Getting lost on floor plan.
Oh no. Ooh, my favorite, the strawberry kind.
Our sugar loaf.
Look at these kids.
Get out the candy bowl.
You haven't.
We like 3. I don't know.
Ooh, that little built-in.
Yeah.
That's cute. We won't even need a dresser. Is this just the actual?
I think so.
Let's go explore. Jeez. If that would be cool, yeah. Another built-in. So, where's the master? Oh, so it's a. Oh, that shower is nice for your room. Oh my God! Now this.
Oh, wait, hold up.
Toilet.
Let's see how the fan works. Let's see this down.
Oh, there's more.
There's more.
Wow, this is amazing. Oh, this is so cute. I know. What is home at? It's cute. That's kind of crazy. Ooh, a chocolate factory. Chocolate.
Oh, bro.
What?
She's a brick.
Gotta put it in there.
Suck your stomach in, son.
It's really frustrating. I'm making it about the bigger person. I empathize with what you're doing. But look, Mama, you know the thing is if, even if those other houses that we saw for $290, we live in that where it's economically inexpensive.
I mean, they will still. Shut up. Hey y'all, we are now in Old Navy in the mall. Actually, we just got through eating and drinking. I had 2 drinks. One was espresso martini, and the other one was a dragon fruit martini, I guess. I don't know, but they both were good. The dragon fruit was really, really good. The espresso, it was strong, but the dragon fruit was really good. The restaurant that we went to was called the Backyard or the Yard. I don't know. But now I'm ready to go back to the room and go to sleep. But we're just walking through the mall. We are in Old Navy, looking for Kiana a new bathing suit. They got a good little sale. $9.99. But yeah, we're supposed to be going to the beach tomorrow. We're just looking at houses and looking around the area to see if we like it. I mean, it's a nice little area, you know. The houses are cheaper than Fort Worth, for sure. So we don't know. We just, scouting the area out. But y'all, let me see if she does. Oh yeah, I seen one house, the last house that y'all seen. I think it was the last house. I fell in love with it. The shower and the freaking closets is what I like the most. And that house was, y'all, I think $342,000. Cheap for that new construction home. You know what I mean? So we are waiting on Joey's approval about this swimsuit that Kiana just tried on, which is cute. It's the same thing that she was gonna wear when she was, well, it's the same thing she was gonna wear to the beach, a sports bra and some panties or some shorts. But he thinks it's different being that it's an actual swimsuit. So I just took a picture of it because he's still in the bar. Probably on his third drink now, but I just took a picture and sent to him. And now we are waiting on his approval because they have I think a 50% off sale on swimsuits. So that's what I'm doing now, waiting on him to respond. Man, it's the same thing. She brought a sports bra and some little track shorts. You know, the little track shorts, not booty shorts, but you know, little shorts. And this one is a swimsuit, but it's a two-piece too. But it's like a sports bra and some shorts. But men don't know the difference when it comes to the daughters, especially Joe. So, oh, hold on, y'all.
Is it Forever 21 or is Zara?
Stores at 2 levels.
Good morning, y'all. We are at breakfast and we got a little spread here. Hopefully it tastes good. It don't look too appetizing, but got a little eggs, toast, sausage, a little cinnamon roll, juice, and coffee. But we're gonna go ahead and eat and then head back to the room. Okay, y'all, we are at the beach now. Truck right there. They're getting everything ready. But here is the beach. Child, I guess I can go help. Okay, y'all, I'm about to attempt to get up here to get my wine in the cooler. Bitch. Oh my God. Fuck, I feel like staying up here now. Fuck that. Who gonna jump down? Who about to jump down there? Oh, Jesus Christ. Help. Send help. Girl, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get my damn wine in a can. This shit is tucked all the way at the freaking bottom. I'm out of breath. But anyways, these are the bean and cheese burritos that Joey made at home for the road. The breakfast burritos have bacon, sausage, potatoes, eggs, cheese. I forgot what else. And this just beef and cheese. But child, where are my... Oh my God. I don't know if I'm able to do it, y'all. I need my wine though. Alright, y'all. Hubby got to get it for me. Okay, y'all. We got it. Well, how you were gonna be able to hit all this music? Ooh, it's a little cold.
Careful, you're not gonna like the way this seaweed feels because I know you just don't freak out and drop your car.
Fucking A. Ooh.
High maintenance.
Yeah. Yeah. High maintenance. It's supposed to be relaxing.
Where are you guiding me?
I don't know. He talking about he gonna tackle me. Tackle me? Child alive.
Football season's coming up, baby. Better map the fuck up.
Okay, y'all, I'm going back in. I barely even get in the water, but it's hot enough. Child, this damn ice cream machine about to run me over. Joji. You know my back hurt. He pushed me in my back. Okay, y'all, thoughts on Mcallen, Texas. The houses were nice, very nice, cheap prices. If y'all seen the last one, that bathroom and the closet, I was sold. But the town is it's a smaller town, but you can tell it's like upcoming. It's the safest city in Texas, it said. And what else it said? Safest city in Texas. Look at him. But yeah, it's the safest city in Texas, and it was something else. I don't know. But for right now, I think we just won't stay in Fort Worth. Yeah, I think we just won't stay in Fort Worth. If we can have that house in Fort Worth for the price it was, bitch. I've been like, let's get it. Yeah, he making fun of me. Look at him tapping his head because I'm tapping on my weed. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what he's doing. He's so damn stupid. Okay, y'all, we have made it back to the hotel. It is, check on the watch. It's 9 o'clock now. We've been out on the beach for about 12-ish. I don't know. What? But we're about to shower. We were gonna go down to the hotel, to the restaurant down there, but they close at 10. Kiana's in the shower now, and I have to shower. Joey has to shower, and then by the time we get down there, it's gonna be, it's gonna be closed. They gave us a 2-drink voucher because when we first got here, I don't know if y'all seen earlier, we came to the room, the door was open, and it was just a mess. I guess they didn't clean up, and she gave us the wrong room or whatever. So she ended up giving us, what is going on? She ended up giving us a 2-drink voucher to use at the restaurant down there. But yeah, like I said, 9 o'clock. It's gonna be 10. Yeah, we ain't gonna be able to go to the restaurant down there. And I think they doing like dollar tacos too. So I think we're just gonna eat what we have, like the burritos that Joey made, some chips. We got leftover wings from. Now see, you showing out. We got leftover wings from that restaurant that we went to, the Yard, and then we have leftover pizza. So child, ain't no need for us to even go down there. We gonna take a shower and we gonna get in the bed. Ooh, child, being at the beach, the beach is so dirty. While I'm out there, it's fine, but when I get to the room, it's like I feel so dirty. Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday at it's 11:20. At 11:20, this is our last full day here. We was gonna go back to the beach, but I'm like, the beach is an hour and a half away. We get out there, get our little drink on and all that stuff, and then we have to pack up and leave tonight. No, so we're gonna explore the town some more. I seen some other stuff on TikTok. Where am I going? I'll go down here. But I seen some little stuff on TikTok, like some little cute little restaurants and ice cream shops and stuff. So we may go explore that area. Of course, you can see I'm the first one that's dressed. So I decided to come down here and chill out. It smells good down here too. But yeah, y'all, this was, again, sitting down in the little tent thing. But I got in the water yesterday. I was surprised at myself. Joey splashed water on my wig. He did that. But I had fun. We had fun. So that's all that matters. And I got a whole, when we come back tomorrow, go back to Fort Worth tomorrow or tonight. So I'll be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'll still have some days, you know, to get relaxed and prepare myself for next week at work. So yeah, I was just popping on camera and say good morning. And oh, also y'all, not only are the houses cheap down here, the hotels are really, really cheap down here. I'm like, I don't know if it's because it's during the week. In Mcallen, not on South Padre Island. We stayed in South Padre Island last year, and it was, I forgot how much it was, but it was expensive. But anyways, Mcallen for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 nights, it wasn't even $300. 3 nights, and the rooms are nice. They're very, very clean. I'll admit, I slept under the sheets. Normally, I wouldn't. I don't know. I'm just that type. I normally would bring my own blanket, but I slept under the sheets. So it's very, very clean here at the Radisson. I know we have one in Fort Worth, but I don't know the pricing there. But here it's cheap, almost under $300 for 3 nights, 2 queen size beds. So yeah, everything is kind of, you know, affordable down here. I mean, you can really ball down here if you know. So, but that's one of the good things down here too, though. I'll admit that. You can really just do some balling down here. You can save some money and all this stuff. Which one I want?
More popular.
The more popular one is going to be the
Oh, you didn't get no cream in yours? Oh. Okay, y'all, we are in the Bass Pro Shop. Child, this is Kiana and Joey's favorite store. So I need to find something familiar because I don't need no jet ski, no boat, no nothing, no hunting gear or nothing. So I am in the clothes section. I know it's expensive. We just gonna browse around because this ain't my type of store. My type of store is the outlets down the street. Okay, so we're gonna do this for him. Turn it over to
Throw your ice in there, you throw your cold drinks, and then you just put a string on it, and that way you can let that fucker float in the water, and you're just chilling out there, and you just pull that son bitch in when you're
right. You want me to cry?
So they keep off the end of this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's like the little I love you images. Just what I did.
You throw it away?
Yup. And then there was something.
Ooh, shades. Mm-hmm.
And I was friends with her, right? But then she was always like,
That's not good for her to be starting that early.
exactly. Wait till she brings me at 52. Oh, definitely.
Aww.
Yeah, the long nose gone.
What is this? 50% off. Girl, let me see. Is it 50% off this? Off lowest ticketed price. Oh, okay. How much are these? Like somebody done wore these already. What the hell? Look at this tag. Said 50% off this. Am I reading it right? Let me go ask somebody. Okay, yeah, I read it right. It's 50% off the lowest ticketed price. So this is $24.97. So half of that. Okay. Let's say for the shoes, buy one get one free. Child, which one is it? Buy one get one free. Is that it? Was it right? Everyone with the red tag?
yeah, all except the ones that are on clearance.
So just these?
Yeah, any shoe, yeah. That should say you can mix and match however you want. You need a pair of shorts, but those are
Yeah.
$7. And then look, I just thought these were nice pants too.
Oh, you like? Oh, okay. I see them.
Like they're golf pants.
Yeah.
They would be nice pants when your daddies are out to eat or something. I think just don't do it.
Yeah.
So those are $22. And that's all these stores. See how this is?
Yeah.
So this one will be another $22.
Oh, thank you.
That's why this one matches.
Yeah.
But this one doesn't have.
Okay, now we are in Nike. Under Armour had a good little sale. I think Joey got the whole little outfit y'all seen before. We got 2 sports bras, Kiana, some shorts, and something else for $102. But now, I wonder, what is it, 79, taking an additional 30% off. I need some more tennis shoes. The Under Armour had like buy one get one pair free, but I didn't see no cute ones, so that was a good deal. I probably should have made myself buy some, but I didn't like those. Ooh, so these are only $49. Are these cute or not? I don't think. Who Johnny? He's a sugar daddy. Cause they were in the store that we were in. Yummy. Cheers. Your fancy night. They got Jello shots and everything. Yup. Yup. This a big ass shot. This a damn
Horse tranquilizer.
Not a horse ass.
You got a horse face. Quite a long.
You are an ass.
Look at her feeding the baby. So he won't get nothing on his shirt.
Hold on, wait, let me see.
Okay, y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we are at the hotel bar. Try getting now, the first drink I had was a Jolly Rancher, and then the shot I had was the first drink I had was I don't know, but the shot was a Jolly Rancher shot. And now Joey is ordering up another shot. Don't look like we're gonna be leaving tonight. Are we leaving tonight?
Fuck no.
Who we gonna leave?
Game 3 of the playoffs.
Oh, and then he watching.
My gal's with me. You know, I'm leaving when the good Lord of the police make me. So police.
Police. This is what we're having now. Royal Fuck, Crown Royal Peach, Cranberry Juice. Ready?
To the Nuggets victory.
I can't drink it there. ranch wasn't like this. This one had more liquor in it. That one had more liquor in it.
That shit's bomb,
Yep.
bro. Destroyed it.
Y'all, I'm gonna ask them about late checkout. Cause we ain't gonna make it. Okay, y'all, we got a late checkout. It was, the ladies was at 1 o'clock, so that's fine.
I'll be the first so that then you guys can get to the worm.
I'm scared. Help me.
Late checkout for a reason.
Question messes me up.
Oh God.
Okay, so the catch on this is you gotta pay for 5 shots. So,
She's giving away $5 shots of mezcal.
Until we get to that worm.
Until we
We're trying to
get
get to that worm and then mezcal pop.
just one, right, bro?
I don't want one. No, I don't want one. I'm not showing y'all. No. I'm sorry.
I just wanted to see the damn worm. Yeah, we're gonna be all better. One self-loading in the bottom. We're gonna do
That's the worm looks nasty. So I think yours is the worm.
Yeah, I already throwing up.
She said like that.
They're trying to get to the worm. Joey joined in. He ready. Look at him.
She's gonna get it.
You feel like a fish. You feel that little.
Oh, look. The next one is for... That's yours, Dad.
You already drunk?
What do you guys got? Oh, no, he's...
Is it nasty?
I don't know what I'm doing right now. That's the best part of drinking, when you get to the point where you don't know what you got going inside.
Okay, you said I was off my.
Oh, she's in there.
Oh! Did you see it? They found the worm.
Drink this one. Somebody drink that.
Wait.
I want some worm too, dude. Split the worm, start on both sides, bro. Like it's a spaghetti noodle. Yeah, right? Oh, shit.
He already threw it.
You know what? Cut it in half and give Carol the other one. Cut it in pieces.
Oh.
This is nasty, guys. I'm sorry.
Why would
Well, now you made it nasty because all these textures came out.
Like it's fucking awesome. Because I'm not drinking.
He said, I think it's fucking awesome.
Wow.
You rest it right there, dude. Oh, rest it on the top. I
Are
don't
you
want
gonna get this chewing or what?
Dude, this little guy's been drowning me for how many years? I want him to get some air.
And then Monica, he's gonna give a big fat kiss.
Oh, look at the worm.
He's leaving on the cat.
Bro, you're like a true homeless. Oh my gosh, bro.
All right, ready?
You know, I don't bet all the money.
Yeah.
You're gonna drink it.
Yeah.
Take it.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh my God.
There's still one there for somebody.
Fuck
Heel
you.
to toe.
Fuck you, Mr. Officer. Fucking one.
Put your hands to your hips.
How many do I have to do?
20.
20?
5.
No.
8. What does on patrol life say? Pinch a 4, 5, 6. Oh, fuck.
Oh.
Nah, girls, you don't want me to drive.
Arrested.
Cuff him.
Yeah. Fuck, bro, officer.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, it is 6:30 in the morning, and we heard like a big old boom, and this is what happened. I only peeked out this side of the window. This is somebody else's truck, but when we open the whole window, this is Joey's truck right here. Oh my God. We weren't even expecting rain, y'all. Wow. Joey's out there right now taking pictures and stuff. The hotel staff came out to take pictures. Oh, Lord. Oh. Check out.
That's a gutter.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's
so
just
look
move.
up.
Jeez. That dude better wake up. Now you can see it in the daytime. We're just waiting on whoever the crew to come and I guess get this shit from the roof, and I don't know. The police already been out here and all that stuff. But Joey's truck is under there. Oh my God. And then I don't know if y'all seen this earlier. This guy's car, center blocks literally bust their windows and everything. It was 2 center blocks right there. Poor thing. We don't know what damage his truck has though.
Right here. Here.
Oh, all right, y'all. We are still waiting. It is. Child, I ain't got on my watch. What time is it? I think it's 9 o'clock now. I just ordered Uber Eats for us to get some coffee and stuff because we missed breakfast, and I kind of didn't want their breakfast anyways. So me and Kiana ordered some coffee. Joey's still on the outside, waiting on him to come. So I don't know what the damage gonna look like. I don't know. This is my food. I mean my coffee. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I got the, what is it? The ice blonde vanilla latte. I've been drinking already, but it's pretty good. I added whipped cream to mine. But yeah, we are still sitting out here waiting. I heard them say something about the roofers, so hopefully they are on their way. Oh, child, let me go see. Because I don't know if they're here. Okay, they're here, but the cover is still on there. So, I just need to know what kind of damage he got. Child. Because I don't even know when we gonna leave. I mean, are they gonna get us a rental car? Is the damage, will we be able to drive the car home? I mean, what the hell? He talked to the manager, the hotel manager, or whoever he is that's over this building, and they're gonna pay all the deductibles and all that stuff. Well, of course they are, you know, because on their property. So I just want to know what the damage is. That's all. Yeah, Joey been out there getting ate up by bugs. Child, I went out there, you know, to get him, bring him some water and stuff, and a little snack. And child, we stayed out there for like 5 minutes, and I got ate up on the thigh, on the arms, and everything. Oh, child. We are at the yard house again because we need to release some stress. We're staying another day. The hotel is going to comp everything. Of course they are. They're going to comp everything, and we're staying an extra day. And yeah, like I said, we just needed to release some stress. So we're eating finally. I think it's, what time is it? 2 o'clock, and we're just now eating. You know, we had coffee earlier and all that stuff. So we're just now about to eat. So yeah, we're gonna try to drive the truck back because we don't see any like mechanical damage. Of course, we don't know for sure, but we drove it around the city for a little while, and it seems to be running. The truck seems to be running pretty good. But child, if y'all seen that hole, the hole it's through the ceiling, through the roof. So I don't know, y'all. We don't know if it's gonna be totaled or they gonna find somebody to fix it. We don't know. So we stay another day. It's Thursday, so I guess we're gonna leave. We don't know when exactly we're gonna leave, but it may be later on tonight. Y'all, that windstorm just came out of nowhere. 6 o'clock this morning, and all I heard was a boom.